Fairy renewal, something close to my heart, as I have a fairy shamanism course. Sharon Ramel with you. Many of the ancient fairy pathways on earth are restoring themselves. They existed long ago and they closed when we turned our hearts away from them. We are here in a new era. We are here in this new era of light emerging. And these pathways are rethreading, rebuilding themselves as we raise our vibrations and our worlds become once again whole. Long have the Fae travelled the earth in one of the unseen layers, her essence that is returning for us to all be a part of. The Fae folk are asking us to remember that we are creators, we are from the stars, that by our consciousness, by our focused attention, by our mantra, our prayer, we are reweaving the bridges between the worlds. And as we come to peace within ourselves and give ourselves the role of the dreamer, the creator, the one who thinks outside the square, the one who creates, then we become architects of creation once again. We draw this power back into ourselves, this power of attention, of dreaming greatness for all, and we begin to see the Fae once more as an integral part of our lives, weaving and working with us. And if you would like to know more about working with the Fae, please enroll with my Fairy Shamanism course. It is so pertinent at this time that we start to work with these beautiful, gentle folk once more. Enjoy the peace and love of your friendship with the Fae.